Good evening, this is Mark of the Expert Corner for a Wicked Edge Tech Talk. That's what it was supposed to be this morning, and I forgot to say that. Anyway, I'm doing this at the end, and I'm going to put it at the beginning. My intention this morning was to show you the installation and upgrade of a 2-knob first version Gen 4 Pro, or it would be the same process, or a non-micro adjuster version. On, it so happened, this pedestal mount first version, 2 knobs. Okay. What I learned, and you'll see in these videos, and I put it together now so that I can tell you, there are two things we're doing here. What I did on this Gen 4 Pro is I'm installing a stable riser block. This allows the user to put the stable riser support rails on when they want to, if they want to. But it also elevates the vise, which I showed you how the stones fit better with an elevated vise for better stone efficiency. So we have two things going on. We're changing out the brackets and we're elevating the vise, so we're putting in the stable riser. To do that, to work on the vise, it requires that you take this plate off, and you would have to either remove the bracket arms or the screws. So they are interchanged. If you're just doing the bracket arms, if you have the non-micro adjuster version, I looked it up, the non-micro adjuster version is only in the flat one. If you choose to upgrade, 2 screws, click, click, you change the arms. You could have the micro adjusters already installed in the brackets and snap them in. In the subsequent videos, if you'll tolerate watching them, I go through how you install them. And it's a real quick process. It does not require taking anything further apart. If you're doing besides that, like I'm doing for this user, putting in the stable riser, then we have to take more things apart. So we did a couple different videos in this Tech Talk series, how it came out in retrospect to make my introduction that I'm attempting to record right now. In the Tech Talk series, we discussed changing out the bracket arms 2 ways: the difficult way where you open it up, or the quick way from the top. But if you are working on the vise and you're opening it up anyway, you have access to the bracket arm. So it works 6 or a half a dozen, the same difference, but it all comes together, and I had a chance to stumble through it today and record it and show you as we learn. And I revisited resynchronizing this in one of the later videos, which I had forgotten about how easy it was. So if you can bear to go through the playlist, I've tried to put them together in what we did. And what we did was we changed out the 2-knob first version Wicked Edge adjuster arms with the Expert Group Gen 3 Pro style, it's been a long day, Gen 3 Pro style micro adjusters. We changed them out, and we also installed a stable riser block on a Gen 4 Pro. Thank you.